While you can't completely close your pores, you can minimize their appearance and keep them clean. Here are 10 effective methods. 1. Cleanse regularly. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup squared. 2. Exfoliate. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can clog pores. Use a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant like salicylic acid squared. 3. Use clay masks. Clay masks can help absorb excess oil and reduce the appearance of pores squared. 4. Apply retinoids. Topical retinoids can help improve skin texture and reduce pore size squared. 5. Moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated can prevent it from producing excess oil, which can clog pores squared. 6. Use non-comedogenic products. Choose skincare and makeup products labeled as non-comedogenic to avoid clogging your pores squared. 7. Apply sunscreen. Protecting your skin from UV damage can prevent pores from becoming more noticeable squared. 8. Use essential oils. Some essential oils, like tea tree oil, have antibacterial properties that can help keep pores clean squared. 9. Avoid oil-based products. Oil-based products can clog pores, so opt for water or gel-based alternatives squared. 10. Remove makeup before bed. Always remove your makeup before going to bed to prevent clogged pores squared.